All right, people. So I went out and bought the cheapest double din radio you can find on Amazon. It was $30. Uh, it is kind of cheesy, but it's going in a $500 truck, and I just want something that sounds just a little bit better and has Bluetooth and a backup camera. But that's not what this is about. This is about the 2002 Chevy Suburban that if it has OnStar or the amp system and subwoofer in the back, you just can't plug and play radios in. Now, they do make a harness that goes on that little separate harness right there. Hold on, let it focus. There you go. It goes on that second harness right there that will engage the amp when the key is on and turns it off when the key's off. Problem is, the harness is $50. Why? Just to scam you. Well, if you go through your factory harness, the little pink wire right there is the signal wire to turn the amp on and off when the key is in the on and running position, or off when it's on the off position. So I found key on power to the factory harness, soldered it in, and ran it to the radio harness. So instead of costing me $50, it cost me a couple of cents. You gotta kind of look around when you're installing stuff. Sometimes there's a cheaper way of doing it. I'll let y'all later.